Demand for Air Jordan 4 colorways remains strong, and 2025 is already packed with major releases like the OG White Cement, a new Undefeated collab, and the Travis Scott-inspired Cave Stone. That momentum appears to be continuing into 2026, as a new Imperial Purple edition is reportedly in the works. According to Sneaker Market Romania, the upcoming pair will feature a mix of Imperial Purple and multicolor elements. While no official images have surfaced, early speculation links the colorway to the Los Angeles Lakers due to its purple hue, while others see a possible tribute to the beloved Kobe 6 Imperial Purple. As of now, all mock-ups and details are purely speculative, with Jordan Brand yet to confirm any official information. Sneaker fans should stay tuned for updates as we head into 2026. The Air Jordan 4 Imperial Purple is shaping up to be a highly anticipated release.